This year, HVAC Repair Guy compared over 250 models of gas furnaces from more than 60 brands to give you the top 5 picks for your consideration. The brands were compared in categories such as warranty coverage, availability, durability, and use of state-of-the-art technologies as well as price. So, without further delay, let's get started. Coming in at number 5 on the HVAC Repair Guy Top 5 is the Winchester brand. These furnaces can be purchased online through Hamilton Home Products or at the Home Depot stores. They can be installed as a DIY project, but for warranty purposes the installation should be checked by a pro and registered. If you are looking for a reasonably priced basic or premium gas furnace that you can install yourself, this is the best buy. At number 4 on our list there is a tie with the Century and Comfort Air brands. Both of the brands are made in the USA by Heat Controller and they are backed by a very good warranty. The GUH98M models use modulating technology and have a 98% AFUE combustion efficiency. They use stainless steel for the primary heat exchangers, which is more durable than brands that use aluminized steel, and they have a lower cost than many of the other brands. They have a very limited dealer network, so they are not as easy to purchase, but if there happens to be a factory authorized dealer in your area, they are a very good pick. Checking in at number 3 on the HVAC Repair Guy list of the top 5 gas furnace brands for 2024 is the Everest Elite Series. The brand is a private label brand made for the Everest Group by Daikin Comfort Technologies Manufacturing LP, so you get top quality furnaces at off-label prices. They have all of the technology, but they are only sold through a very limited dealer network, so you might not be able to find a local installer. At the 2 spot on our list is the Daikin brand, and they have all of the latest technology. They are the largest HVAC manufacturers in the world, and so they have economies of scale and can produce top quality furnaces at a reasonable price. Although they did not release any new furnace technology in their latest models, they are still at the top of innovation in the HVAC industry. They have an extensive dealer network, so they can be purchased virtually anywhere in the USA. Coming in at number 1 on the HVAC Repair Guy 2024 Top 5 Gas Furnace Brands list is the Amana brand. They are made in America by Daikin Comfort Technologies Manufacturing LP, and the furnaces are backed by the best warranty in the industry. They utilize all of the latest technology, and when you purchase these units and have them installed by their dealers, you can be sure that it is the last gas furnace you will ever have to buy. Although they did not incorporate any new technology into this year's offerings, they are still in the lead and retain their overall top pick rating from HVAC Repair Guy. Thanks for watching, and please share your thoughts with HVAC Repair Guy in the comments section of this video. You can support HVAC Repair Guy's efforts by liking, subscribing, joining the Friends of HVAC Repair Guy community, and by shopping in our Amazon store.